Hyderabad is the city of Nawabs and Kebabs, Biryani and Sherwani, Pearls and Paigas, Halim and Arches, Minarets and modern buildings. But these are the things of past. Now it is known for 3Bs, Biryani, Badminton, Bahubali. Now it is also known for the brain power, the planet's fastest human calculator.
Hello everyone, I am Neelakanta Bhanuprakash and I hold 4 world records and 50 Limca records for being the fastest human calculator in the world. What that means is that I can calculate quicker than the speed of a calculator, and I have surpassed and broken the records which were once held by Mr. Scott Flansburgh and our very lovely Shakuntala Devi ma'am.
Congratulations to Bhanu Prakash for doing exceptionally well, not just for himself but for our entire country.
With the Olympic gold coming to India and big references which say that Usain Bolt is to running is what Bhanu is to math. Such accolades coming to India, I would say that there is hope. Why are calculations important? Why do we have to use a calculator? Why can't we just use a calculator? Why should we do calculations? That's because it's the same logic as saying when you say, why does Usain Bolt run when he can use a car to travel the same 100 meters? It's because he wants to express the physical dominance and the physical skill which he has acquired and tell the world to be physically fit, create an entire generation of fit citizens. And that's, I think, what I would want to identify myself as a brand ambassador for mathematical education and mathematical sporting in India.
As a family, we are all very happy. He brought proud not only to our family, but he brought the fame to our state and as well as our country.
Being an Indian also, we are very proud because he's the first Indian to win this award.
The Olympic gold is huge. The Olympic gold is marking the first step towards numeracy as a policy, numeracy development as something which we would want to do, numeracy development as one of our missions, vision math as something which is in the part of the government's understanding on what has to be done.
I am proud of his Olympic gold medal win, not only as his mother but also as an Indian.
Only when math is made fun is when kids are going to love it, kids are going to learn it, and the math phobia can be forever eradicated.
టీచర్గా ప్రతి వాళ్ళకి ఎక్కువ సంతోషాన్ని ఎప్పుడు ఇస్తుందంటే మా పిల్లలు వాళ్ళు కోరుకున్న దాంట్లో సక్సెస్ అయినప్పుడు వాళ్ళ సక్సెస్లో మా సక్సెస్ని చూసి చాలా తృప్తి చెందుతాం.
Bhanu is my brother and I'm really proud of his achievement in Mind Sports Olympics.
The eradication of math phobia marks the beginning of what India could translate into being a developed nation.
As a family, I would help him in eradicating math phobia in government kids.
My vision ahead is three things. One, eradicate math phobia. Eradicate math phobia and eradicate math phobia. Point two is to make math fun. The third point is Exploring Infinities, the firm which I head, me carrying Bhanu, Neelakanta Bhanu as the brand ambassador of math education will bring and showcase ripples in the math education sector in India. We have 1 crore of kids to inspire. These kids will be the mathematical leaders of tomorrow, and I'm confident that I can make them be not only on the Olympic stage but on well-deserving pathways. Let's transform the country one step at a time, one classroom at a time. Jai Hind, and most importantly, let's celebrate this victory, not just as an individual, as the foundation stone